Hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like and share it. So friends, today in this video we are watching the beautiful curtain designs because windows are crucial for any indoor space to help circulate air and also to light up the room. Having windows in your room, bedroom, kitchen and other areas is so important for ventilation, but they are also a way up to peep inside your home, to cover your windows and to observe any unpleasant spaces. Curtains are an essential feature. There is no doubt that windows curtains are not only a necessity but are also to a decorative accessory that plays an important role in elevating the decor. When it comes to event decorations, using backdrop curtains is a thoughtful choice. Other than providing their basic function of covering windows or event venue walls, curtains have several other significant benefits as well. Curtains in the home have both practical and aesthetic benefits. Practically benefits include regulation of sunlight, insulation from the heat and cold, privacy at night and protection from dust from outside. Share thin fabrics for earthy tones or pastel colors can make your room more romantic. The flow of the fabric adds drama to the room, while the sheer or lacy fabrics allows to romantic dim but inviting lighting in a dining room or bedroom. The earthy colors or pastel colors work to add to warmth the space. Use a curtains that has a stark contrast to the rest of the room and you will have yourself a bold statement. For instance, in an all white rooms, use a heavy dark colors floor to ceiling curtains balance out of the lightness of the room without compromising the minimalist theme that you are going for. Curtains can serve to provide a balance in your furniture heavy room. If you have a big bulky furniture in your old furniture living room, the lighty breezy curtains bright lightness and a smoothing affect the space. Opting for a light colored curtains in the room is already looking too heavy and dark is a simple and elegant solution. By simple putting your curtains several inches above the windows frames can make your ceiling look higher. Try putting in the curtains which are longer than the windows to create the illusion of height, and with the achieve that more spacious look, use strip patterns visually. Depending on the materials, colors, design of your curtains, your room can instantly become more elegant just by adding the appropriate set of curtains. Opting for elegant fabrics such as silk or velvet is a simple way to enhance the room level sophistication. Of course, whatever that curtains elevate the look and feel you have in mind depends on the type of curtains that you put up. The choice of fabrics is length, thickness and pattern all make hug differences to space. Curtains are a great way to cover your windows according to your preferences. There are many window curtains options available these days that can be used to modify windows. You may wonder why having curtains and drapes in your living room, kitchen or dining room is the best window treatments options. With the vast range of colors, options, materials and designs available at you have the freedom to choose curtain panels that match your style and interior design. Use curtains to cover your windows in style, sophistication, and refined appeal for event when where you plan to use candles or work with open flames. Using fire restraint curtains has possessive fire safety measures in a great choice. In case of any adverse situations, these thermal curtains will isolate the prevent the to keep up your guest safe. One of the basic features of curtains are wraps in your privacy and security. Installing curtain panels in your bedroom or living room in a wise choose prevent strangers from praying and peeking into your private space. Use window curtains to protect your private life and enjoying your personal space without worrying about random people peering through your windows. Do you have nosy neighbors who love to peep every now and then? It can be quite annoying and comfortable at times. Therefore, for a permanent solution, options to blank out curtains is cover your windows and to avert outsides from invading and privacy. Curtains can also to use to create a segregated area. A room divider curtains can help to use separate areas without conforming spaces. Other room divider options tend to make the room smaller